Hello, David here, and the project for today is making some tartar sauce for our fish fry. Going to be using some non-parallel capers, relish. I like to use a dill relish, mayonnaise. This is optional. Put a little hot sauce in there. Start off with the capers. Put in about a teaspoon. And mash them up. That's why I put the capers in first. They're easier to mash when they're alone. Put the relish in, put about a teaspoon, heaping teaspoon, maybe a little more. Next, the mayonnaise. About 3 tablespoons. Make sure you fish out the relish that gets caught in there. Squirt of hot sauce. Mix it up. Should I put some garlic in there? I think garlic would be a good idea. Yeah, I like to use the individual size garlic. 48 ounces. No, I'm just kidding. You know I'm kidding, right? Put about a quarter of a teaspoon. If you like garlic, use a half teaspoon. Mix that up. And that's it. Thanks for watching.